Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kiki. If you're coming back, hey sis. So we're jumping right into the tutorial as usual. I'm doing a blue cut crease, obviously. And I'm starting off with the Helen E eye base, and I'm just smoothing that over my eyelid using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going into P. Louise eyeshadow Secret Center palette, and I'm using this indigo blue, and I'm using a Morphe 433 brush to pack that color right underneath my crease area. Now you want to be mindful where you're placing this dark color. You want to place this eyeshadow exactly where you want it to go. So be calculated in the placement of your eyeshadows, because if you place it wrong, you will see it in the end. So just take your time with this part and build up your color as you go. Now I'm going in with this Sugar Pill eyeshadow, which is a cobalt blue. I don't know the name of it, but it'll be listed down below. And I'm using a Morphe M441 brush to blend this color upwards and outwards. So I'm using the second blue just to blend out the first blue. And as you can see, I'm using tapping motions with my brush. I'm using the very tip of that brush to do so. Now I'm going in with this hot pink color from the P. Louise palette. I am doing this eye slightly different than I did the other eye because I did unnecessary things over there. So I wanted to gather myself on this eye. And I'm going in with this little bit of pink. I don't want it to be too much because I do want it to just stay very blue. So I'm just adding this pink as a transition shade. And I'm using a Sigma brush. It's just a fluffy brush that I'm using just to lightly tap that pink on. Then I'm going back in with that same indigo blue that we used before to deepen up my crease area. Now I'm going in with my P. Louise base. This is in this blue color, which I freaking love. I've never used this before because it's from like the basic set or something from Christmas, but I really like it. And I'm just using that to cut my crease. And as always, I'm just tapping the brush along to get me that nice precise cut. So now I'm just taking my BH Cosmetics V5 brush just to tap out the extra product. And then I'm going to go in with that indigo blue to start smoking out the outer portion of my eye. Then I'm going in with the second blue that's like a cobalt blue. Now I'm going to go on the inside of my eye, and I'm using this mint color from the Juvia Saharan palette. And I'm just going to tap that on the inside portion of my eye. It's like metallic mint blue. It's really pretty. Then I'm going in with this, I don't even know what to call this blue, but it's again from Sugar Pill. It's kind of like a turquoise sky blue. And I'm going to put that in the middle of my eye, and I'm using a Morphe 433 brush to do this. And now I'm just blending those two colors together. We are going to be putting glitter on top of this, so if you can't get it perfectly blended, don't stress it. I'm going in with some Duo Lash Glue. I've noticed that, I don't know if the formula is different, but I'm not feeling this glue anymore. I'm going in with my glitter topper in the shade AQUARI, which is like a light blue glitter with silver holographic and green reflex. And I'm just tapping that right along, you guys. I'm just placing that over the first two colors on my lid and leaving the last two dark colors untouched. And I'm going to go ahead and add my eyeliner. My glitters are really thin, so it's easy to apply liner on top of them. Make sure you visit gluacademy.com to shop my glitters and lashes and pigments. There's more products coming soon. Right now there's 30% off. You can shop using the code birthday, and the sale ends on Friday, so you better go get you some, sis. So now I'm going in with that same mint blue, and I applied it in my inner corners. I'm just popping these lashes on. These are for my lash collection. This is in the style Vegas, and I'm just popping them on, y'all. Now we're going to move on to the face. I'm using my Bobbi Brown Enriched Cream. Then I'm going in with my foundation, the MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Foundation in NC and NW50. And I'm going to tap that foundation in. Underneath the eyes, I'm using MAC 24 Hour Wear Concealer in NC50. And I'm going in with Tarte Shape Tape in Deep. And I'm going to use my ShopmissA Beauty Blender to blend all of that out. I'm going in with Sacha Buttercup. I'm using the original shade and the light shade to set and bake my face. And I'm using this eyeshadow just to contour. It's like a reddish brown shadow. I probably shouldn't have used a reddish brown, but it is what it is. And I'm just pressing that powder into my skin using the same foundation brush. By the way, this brush is from NYX Cosmetics. And you guys, I'm still working out the settings on my camera with my new lighting because I feel like I look very like washed out and a little light skin when it's not what it looks like in person. I have to keep going to my bathroom mirror because I'm like, what's up? But yeah, I guess I just have to like keep working with it to find the best settings for me with this new camera. So just bear with me. The quality does look a lot better to me. It's just that the color is off. So yeah. Now I'm going in with this NARS blush and Taj Mahal, which is like a shimmery orange blush. And then I'm going to go in with the same P. Louise base, which is in that beautiful, vibrant baby blue. And I'm going to add that to my waterline. And I'm just using an angled eyebrow brush to do this. Then I'm going to bring it down below so that my shadows have something to adhere to. And I'm adding that cobalt blue from the Sugar Pill, which is the first Sugar Pill eyeshadow I use. It's not called cobalt blue, but it'll be listed down below, the exact color. now we're going on to lip liner. I'm just using chestnut to line my lips. And I'm going in with a lipstick from my collection that's not dropped yet. So moving on, I'm going to spray my face with the Omglo finishing spray, and I'm going to press that spray into my skin. I'm highlighting with my highlighter in Glow Sis. And now I'm just putting some hairspray in my hair just to get rid of all the flyaways. This is from Care. It's like a finishing lightweight spray, but it's not shiny at all. I don't like using shiny sprays. When I have a hair color in, it just looks cheap to me. So this is pretty much the completed look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think about the quality. Do you see a difference? Do you not see a difference? I love you guys so much, and I will catch you guys in the next video. I have something different planned for you guys for the next video. And if you guys are wondering, the client tutorials are coming back sooner than later. I didn't forget about those. I got y'all. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.